Most men over 50 think weaker erections are a testosterone problem. As a urologist, I can tell you they often start with poor blood flow. Today, I'll reveal the one everyday food that helps support healthy circulation naturally, and why most men are using it the wrong way. Stay with me until the end, and you'll know exactly how to prepare it, when to eat it, how much to consume, and the simple combination that can help you get the best results. If you enjoy practical, science-backed men's health tips, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Now, let's get started. It's beetroot. I know that may not sound as exciting as the latest supplement being advertised online. But that's exactly why so many men overlook it. Beetroot stands out because it's one of the richest natural sources of dietary nitrates. These are naturally occurring compounds that your body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that plays a critical role in keeping your blood vessels healthy and functioning properly. Here's why that matters. When nitric oxide levels are adequate, your blood vessels can relax and widen more effectively. This allows blood to move through your arteries with less resistance, improves oxygen delivery throughout your body, and supports the healthy circulation needed for firmer, healthier erections. In other words, beetroot doesn't just support one part of your body. It supports the entire vascular system that delivers oxygen and nutrients to your heart, brain, muscles, and the tissues responsible for healthy erectile function. And the benefits don't stop there. Research suggests that regular beetroot consumption may help support healthy blood pressure, improve heart health, increase stamina and endurance, enhance exercise performance, boost oxygen delivery to muscles, support brain function and memory, reduce fatigue, improve walking ability in older adults, aid muscle recovery after physical activity, and promote healthier aging by supporting overall vascular function. That's one reason beetroot has become one of the most extensively researched vegetables for improving circulation naturally. This is exactly why scientists have spent years studying beetroot. For example, a 2021 review published in Nutrients found that beetroot supplementation consistently improved nitric oxide availability and supported blood vessel function across multiple clinical studies. Researchers also observed improvements in vascular performance, exercise capacity, and overall circulation. A 2023 review further highlighted beetroot's ability to improve endothelial function, the health of the inner lining of your blood vessels, which naturally declines with age and plays a major role in healthy blood flow. What's important to understand is that beetroot isn't working like a prescription medication. It doesn't force a temporary response. It doesn't create an artificial effect. Instead, it provides your body with the natural building blocks it needs to produce more nitric oxide on its own. And that's a major difference. This isn't about creating an instant effect. It's about helping your blood vessels perform the way they were designed to. Now you may be wondering, what's the best way to eat beetroot? Fortunately, it's easy to include in your daily routine. You can enjoy it raw in salads, steamed, roasted, baked, blended into a smoothie, or as 100% pure beetroot juice without added sugar. If fresh beetroot isn't available, a high-quality beetroot powder made from whole beets is also a convenient option. For most healthy adults, a practical daily serving is 1 medium beetroot, about 100 to 150 grams, or 8 to 16 ounces, 250 to 500 milliliters, of pure beetroot juice. If you're using beetroot powder, 5 to 10 grams per day is the range most commonly used in research. As always, follow the manufacturer's directions and consult your healthcare provider if you have any medical concerns. So, when should you expect to notice results? Nitric oxide levels can begin to increase within 2 to 3 hours after consuming beetroot, which is why many athletes drink beetroot juice before training. Some men notice improved energy or exercise endurance within the first few days. However, when it comes to supporting healthier blood flow and erectile function, consistency is what makes the difference. Most studies suggest that the greatest vascular benefits develop after 2 to 4 weeks of regular daily intake, as your blood vessels gradually become more responsive and efficient. Before you start adding beetroot to your daily routine, there's one more important point to consider. Although beetroot is safe for most people, it isn't the best choice for everyone. If you take nitrate medications for chest pain, or medications to lower blood pressure, speak with your healthcare provider first, since beetroot may enhance their blood pressure lowering effects. If you've had calcium oxalate kidney stones, you should also be cautious because beetroot is naturally high in oxalates. People with advanced kidney disease or those following a low potassium diet should ask their healthcare provider whether beetroot is appropriate for them. And if you have diabetes, choose whole beetroot or 100% pure beetroot juice with no added sugar, and continue monitoring your blood sugar as recommended. One harmless side effect that surprises many people is that beetroot can temporarily turn your urine or stool pink or reddish. This is called beeturia, and in most cases, it's completely normal. For the vast majority of healthy adults, however, beetroot can be a simple, safe, and nutritious way to support healthier circulation as part of a balanced lifestyle. Before we move on, let me show you how to get the most out of beetroot, because how you use it can make a real difference. First, be consistent. Beetroot isn't meant to be an occasional treat. The research showing improvements in nitric oxide production and blood vessel function involved regular daily intake, not eating it once every few weeks. Second, choose the form that fits your lifestyle. Fresh beetroot, roasted beetroot, steamed beetroot, 100% pure beetroot juice, or a quality beetroot powder can all be effective. The best choice is the one you can realistically include in your routine every day. Third, pay attention to timing. If your goal is to support overall cardiovascular health and healthier blood flow, eating beetroot with breakfast or lunch is an excellent habit. If you're physically active, consuming beetroot about 2 to 3 hours before your workout gives your body enough time to convert dietary nitrates into nitric oxide, helping support circulation and endurance. For men interested in supporting healthier erectile function, remember that consistency matters much more than taking beetroot immediately before intimacy. Healthy erections depend on healthy blood vessels. And improving vascular function is a gradual process rather than an instant one. If you want to maximize beetroot's benefits, here's my favorite combination. Blend 1 medium beetroot, half a cup of fresh watermelon, half a cup of pomegranate seeds, the juice of half a lemon, and 1 cup of water until smooth. Drink this once a day, preferably with breakfast or about 2 to 3 hours before exercise. Why these ingredients? Beetroot provides the dietary nitrates your body needs to produce nitric oxide, helping your blood vessels relax and widen. Watermelon contains L-citrulline, an amino acid that your body converts into L-arginine, providing additional support for nitric oxide production. Pomegranate is rich in powerful polyphenol antioxidants that help protect nitric oxide from breaking down too quickly while supporting the health of your blood vessel lining. Lemon adds vitamin C, which helps combat oxidative stress and supports the normal function of your blood vessels. Together, these ingredients create a powerful circulation-supporting drink. As nitric oxide levels increase, your arteries become more flexible, allowing blood to flow more efficiently throughout your body. That means improved oxygen delivery to your heart, brain, muscles, and the tissues responsible for healthy erectile function. Over time, this may help support healthier blood pressure, better exercise endurance, increased energy, improved recovery after physical activity, sharper mental function, and healthier vascular aging. For many men, better vascular health also means supporting the natural blood flow needed for firmer, more reliable erections. Think of this smoothie as feeding your circulatory system. Rather than creating a temporary effect, you're supplying your body with nutrients that help your blood vessels function more efficiently every single day. You can also improve beetroot's effectiveness by staying well hydrated, walking regularly, performing strength training, maintaining a healthy weight, managing stress, and getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. These habits work together with beetroot to support healthier arteries and better circulation. There's one more important tip. Avoid using a strong antibacterial mouthwash immediately before or after consuming beetroot. The beneficial bacteria that naturally live on your tongue help convert dietary nitrates into nitrites, the first critical step in producing nitric oxide. Using antibacterial mouthwash around the same time may temporarily reduce these bacteria and limit some of beetroot's circulation-supporting benefits. By combining beetroot with these simple daily habits, you're giving your blood vessels the best possible environment to function at their best. And that's why beetroot has earned its reputation as one of the best natural foods for supporting healthy blood flow. While it isn't a miracle cure or a replacement for medical treatment, using it consistently as part of a healthy lifestyle can make a meaningful difference in your circulation, heart health, energy levels, and erectile function over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest science-backed men's health videos. I also want to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever tried beetroot, or will you be adding it to your daily routine after watching this video? Your experience may encourage someone else who's looking to improve their health naturally. And if you know another man over 50 who could benefit from this information, share this video with him. It could be the simple step that helps him take better care of his circulation and overall health. Finally, remember that the information in this video is provided for educational purposes only and should not replace personalized medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you have a medical condition, take prescription medications, or have concerns about your circulation or erectile function, speak with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or health routine. Thank you for watching, take care of your health, and I'll see you in the next video.